In this video, I am going to show you how to solve your account has a payment issue you need to resolve in Instagram ads or Facebook ads. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. Now, this big solution I'm going to be giving you is going to work irrespective you are in the US, UK, Canada, India, Nigeria, or anywhere, because I do have a lot of clients all over the world. Do you understand? So now listen to me very carefully. For some of you who have been getting this error message you see me displaying on the screen, this can be caused by several factors. Number one, if you have a debt hanging on in your ads account. Let's say, for instance, you've run an ad previously and they could not charge your card, right? Or you forgot to place an automatic charge on the Facebook ads account settings or on your card. Then this will trigger this kind of error in your ads account. Number two, if your card is not accepted. What do I mean by this? Maybe you added your bank card. You are having an issue in verifying that you are the owner of this card, because whenever you want to add your card, Meta in general tend to send a code into your bank application requiring you to provide this code in order to authenticate and link your card permanently. So these are some of the things that trigger it. I'm going to show you how to solve this right now, right? So let's get straight into it without further ado. In case you need my help, you are free to call me on video call for anything. We'll solve it right there.
All right, so what's the next thing you are going to do right now? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your laptop, right? You're going to go to your system and you're going to over to the address bar and type in instagram.com, right? You're going to visit the Instagram website through your computer. The main reason why you're going to be using your laptop is because whenever you try to boost your ads or run your ads from Instagram using the application itself, you are getting this message that is being displayed on the screen right now. Do you understand? Which means you have no power to run any ads or do any settings rather than just going through your system to make any amendment professionally, right? So that is why you have to make use of your computer. So once you get to instagram.com, right, you type in instagram.com, then you're going to hover, you're going to get to the home page, right? You're going to see your feed right here. So you're going to hover your cursor, check out my cursor on the screen, right? You're going to hover it to the left hand side of the screen, and when you hover it to the left hand side of the screen, you're going to see something like message, search, explore, notifications, create, dashboard, profile. So what you're going to click on, is you're going to click on dashboard, right? So let's click on dashboard right now. When you click on dashboard right now, this is going to take you to your professional dashboard, right, where you're going to be seeing something like insights and ad tools. And should in case maybe you've been running some ads earlier on, right, probably in the past, you will see the list of ad that you've been creating right here. Do you understand? Right under this manage ads icon you see here, you're going to see all your ads activities. So now what is the next thing you're going to do? You're going to hover to the right hand side of the screen. You're going to see something like create your next ad. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see something like available funds, 8 naira, whatever. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on billing and payment. Right now, once we click on billing and payment, so you're going to scroll down, right? You can see I have my own ads account in naira. Fine. If you're in any currency, if you're in any country, maybe in the UK, US, Australia, Germany, Ghana, this guide is going to work for you irrespective of the currency in your ads account, right? It is worldwide. So you're going to go down, right? Let me go down and you're going to see the list of payment method I have here. Look at this payment method I have here. This card, you're going to see something like expired on 10/25. This card has expired. You understand? Now this is one of the common reason why you get this kind of message you're going to see on the screen, why you have most payment issues you have on Instagram. So the next thing you want to do when you get to this side is you're going to click on add payment method, and once you click on add payment method, you are going to select debit or credit card. Forget all these other payment methods that are here. These are just additional ones that I can use should, in case I have added a card that is going to be the background, that is the backbone of my ads account, in which I can end up using some other payment methods. So you have to have a card that is linked to your account, matched to your account, and verified with your account for that error to lift. Then once the error is lifted, then you can continue to use other payment methods. So I'm going to click on debit or credit card. I'm going to click on next. Now you're going to see something like name on card. You put the name of your card, right? The name of the card. You're going to put the card number, the month and year, the CVV, which is the 3 number at the back of the card. Once you click on save, then your card will be saved and you will be asked to verify your card. Now immediately you click on save, you will be asked to verify your card, sending a code to the statement of your bank, and in which you have to log into your banking application, get the code, and input it into the box provided on the screen. Tell you to input the code, go into your banking application that is connected to the card, you get the code from there and use it to merge your card. Once you input the code into the screen, your card will be saved and verified successfully. Now the reason why I can't do this is because this is my client account and I will have to use his or her card, do you understand, to verify this. So if you need my help, you can also chat me on WhatsApp, do you understand, one-on-one. I'll be able to solve this for you, do you understand, right? If you are not comfortable sending me your login details, then we'll treat this right here live on video call, you and I. Then we're going to speak on video call. I'll guide you all through till you do this by yourself with my own full guidance, right? Seeing my face and you have nothing to fear. So once you've done this, then you can continue to run your ads. Either you want to run it through your laptop here, right, by clicking on create an ad, or you can continue to run your ad using your mobile phone, using the Instagram boost post or Meta Business Suite, and everything will start going on successfully, right? So thank you.